Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.